So you either consider yourself a bobsledder right now, or you know if you
I would say aspiring bobsledder. I mean,
Aspiring
I've done what, one competition,
true.
and luckily it was at the highest level, world championship,
That's a good place to
which is
start.
crazy. But yeah, we'll do it next year. I strongly believe next year is going to be a really good year for bobsled for Jamaica.
Yeah.
I mean, when you look at it, I tell people that they don't understand how well we did, because we were in a very old sled, 2009.
John Holder,
And
for almost 17.
Exactly, and imagine the amount of beat up that sled they go through, from turning over, from breaking, and them have repair it and all of them something that when we are compete against man like Germany, what them sled make yesterday.
Welcome back to another episode of The Reason Being, and today we have two-time national champion in the 100 meter. No winning 200 yet?
No.
Anyway, national champion.
Just some podium finish.
Just some podium finishes, isn't me? I know he's a bobsledder, I guess.
Yeah.
People want to know. Well, when we start this still.
Let's add it to the profile.
Add it to the profile?
Yeah.
Oh, you get into bobsled, brother, because I'm start right this, because I didn't even understand. I think you done now, brother. I think you done run now.
And may hear that on the news to me, so I'm retired.
So, what go on?
I mean, it's from 2021, to be honest, Mr. Stokes, that's the president for the bobsled association, did approach me about it, but at the time, I never saw my click in a sense, and I do so much, I go through so much things at the time, because as you know, in 2021, I did transition coming back to Jamaica from the when we did overseas, and that was a whole situation. I couldn't take up anything else. You see me? So when them come back to me last year now, I say, you know what, I can give this a try. And you know, I tried, I like it, because surprisingly, I mean, mentally I could have really put myself in the seat and like give myself, like, you know, envision myself in a way apart me. I say, alright, this is how I gotta be like.
Yeah.
And it actually exceeded my expectation. A lot of people tell me, say, oh, you got afraid and you got frightened because it's dangerous and the speed. Bro, the faster I go and the better it is.
So how you feel?
It's hard to describe. I mean,
Is that
I don't know.
or like a car, like
How fast, what the fastest a car ever go with you inside that?
180. Faster than that?
Alright, you wanna know it feeling.
That's about jet speed.
Cause like, we go up to like closer to 300.
So fast, man?
No, that's not how fast the sled is going, you know. But that's me just compare it to how you feel in a car, because at some point, you know, when you get to a certain speed, the car start feel like feather. Yeah, so you have points in the bobsled, because I mean the bobsled, you're in a tin can where I go 140, 130 kilometers per hour.
Yeah.
Is what I say. So when you're in that and downhill, hit corners up, down, bro, it's crazy. And the G-force,
Crazy.
remember in terms of the G-force, I could push the air out of me and I said, remember the first time when the G-force actually hit me, just me go. I mean, I try inhale and me just allow it until it ease up and then me. But it's crazy.
You like it?
Love it.
You do it again?
Yeah, man. Next year at the Olympics.
So, how you qualify for the Olympics?
I mean, once you make the team, cause you know the team itself, them pick the best two-man bobsled or four-man, pick the best two, and you have different meets all around the world.
Okay.
So you have to qualify from there. So, which I don't think we'll have a problem doing, because we have a solid, especially two-man bobsled team now. They're trying to get a couple more people for the four-man, but for right now the two-man bobsled solid.
So you either consider yourself a bobsledder right now, or you know if you
I would say aspiring bobsledder. I mean,
Aspiring
I've done what, one competition.
True.
And luckily it was at the highest level, world championship, which is
start.
crazy. But yeah, we'll do it next year. I strongly believe next year is going to be a really good year for bobsled for Jamaica.
Yeah.
I mean, when you look at it, I tell people that they don't understand how well we did, because we were in a very old sled, 2009.
John
and
for almost 17.
Exactly, and imagine the amount of beat up that sled they go through from turning over, from breaking, and them have repair it and all of them something that when we are compete against man like Germany, where them sled make yesterday.
Yeah.
From BMW.
Yeah.
You see me I say, and
racing machine.
A literal machine, and then two things we're lacking when it comes to them is weight.
What do you mean, like the man?
Because because in a sense you have a maximum weight and a minimum, right? What a lot of, especially the Germans, them do, because them watch, them are the best.
Yeah.
They basically add the weight to them body, meaning so them bulk up, get heavier.
Yeah.
So them reduce the weight on the sled.
Oh.
So them push a lighter sled.
Yeah.
Than put it like me and my driver.
Yeah.
We light, so we have to add the weight to the sled.
Okay, so everything have to even out.
So everything have to even out.
So kind of like F1 in a sense.
Basically just like F1.
Okay.
So you have a certain weight limit where you have to work with. So it technical, and you need a good sled. And as simple as I see it, you have the things them the slide pan called the runners. You wouldn't even know how important those things are, especially the size of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zero. But for now, you still run.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
100%.
100%. All in. Alright, I never like pivot, you know. I know you like it, you know, but never like pivot, brother. I feel like you take away your time from your training.
No, it actually never really. That's why I just do the pushing aspect of it. Because if me that could be a driver, then that would take a lot more time and training. But the pushing, I just start, and then the driver really focus on the rest.
So is there a steering thing in there?
It's a lever you pull left and right like this.
Like fly kite. No.
Yeah, similar. Yeah, but it's like two strings will come like this, and it have like a little handle.
Yeah.
Pull it there this way and pull it that way.
You know them ties I usually have when we younger. What ties name?
You ever make a push cart over your sit down pan and you pull it? But it's only that it's set like this, so you pull it left and right.
So we built for this then, basically.
We built for this. We've been doing these crazy things. I mean, me that go tell us if we used to roll down in a hill in a barrel. I used to do that. You see me? So it's like it just natural for me.
Yeah.
You see me? I say so. Them look crazy something about when we live at Trelawny, bro. As kids, and we go up on the hillside and we set it for it slide down the hill now, but for whatever reason, nature said turn sideways and that shit start roll like this. I will come out and we look, we can't see our face because I'm out of dust, and we say, yo, we can do that again.
Fearless thing, brother.
Fearless.
No fear.
Completely, bro. Completely.
But then boy, your upbringing, man. Trelawny, man. Now in Kingston. How was it growing up in Trelawny?
Well, I really love Trelawny, man, I lie. To be honest, it was moving to Clarendon. Was age 12. But first Trelawny, born in Trelawny. My mother was living in Kingston. She actually got Trelawny for visit her mom.
Yeah.
So happened that me end up born in Trelawny, Falmouth. And then afterwards I come back, living in Kingston, downtown Kingston, at a place called Chance Lane. Did it for like 3 years. First 3 to 4 years of my life, I think, and then I head back. I go back to Trelawny. Basic school, all age, or / primary school, because I never passed grade 6.
Jamal.
Yeah. Nah, man, when I say me never passed grade 6, me mean me never, cause you know, all age school go up to grade 9.
Yeah, alright.
Meaning, so me reach grade 6, the exam? GSAT.
Yeah.
Do GSAT, go high school. Bro! Alright, we go high school. Bro, so Zid. I mean, it wasn't the greatest school in that era. So, I mean, at the end of the day, but all of badness. Yeah, Castle, Brownstone, all of them then are the same little zone, right? Yeah. So, as me I say, Hilda's. So, people know them prestige school, Hilda's all girls school.
So true, yeah.
And, yeah.
I think I'm ready at that one.
Donut.
I think I'm ready.
And then, from this up, I did a school there for 1 year. I have a virgin. Him that's supposed to go Clarendon for very technical. Bad piece of youth. Sports Day can't beat him, DA Sport can't beat him, and I think Verdi try recruit him and him grandmother say him not send him so far. As the day me sit here, so I believe that the man will probably be a whoop both us.
This one.
Man, bad. And when I tell him did really good, the man was really good. Andrew Watson, if him see that video, because every time me and him talk, he say the same thing to me. Remember me used to run left here?
Yeah.
I mean, a close run left.
Gone, run left.
Gone, man, not lose nothing. And, I mean, him grandmother said him not send him so far from her. So him end up just play football. And I know in Jamaica, 0.01% of people make it out in a football, really.
Oh.
So, I mean, after high school, him did just kind of fade away. But, leave Brownstown the first year. My mother decided that she had moved to Clarendon for personal reasons. And so I never wanted to. To move. It was one of the most difficult things for me. Because I did want to stay at Trelawny. This is my family them there. I don't know nobody at Clarendon.
True.
You see me I say, and then at the time, it's not like me used to travel different places, but me always experience things new. And this alone me know. And in my head, when me I go see my cousin them, who me I go play ball with, and them look at something there. When we left Trelawny, they Clarendon, Bustamante, first year, closest school to home. Bustamante High was good.
Really?
It was good. Me not like.
Bustamante a good name, Panina.
To be honest, and I don't know if that changed, but my year, in terms of the persons that graduated my year, we got the highest CXC passes for the school history that year there. So it's not. So my group wasn't bad. No, we were borderline.
Why think borderline?
Alright, we were in between. We were in between. Cause you have some really some tyrant but do work same way. You see me I say? And only quite a few things happen through the years of Bustamante High. A lot of experiences. And you know what I mean, from being in Clarendon and then just deciding what I'm gonna do in my life. Cause I remember I made play football at one point. And that was the main thing. Track and field was just sports day. Right? Track and field was sports day. I show up, beat everybody. Track team, everybody. They never really fast. I mean, Buster man. Right? True. We never really have me are the fastest thing past through Buster at the time.
Probably. Probably.
I think so, yeah.
And if you get to answer them, such a bit long. Real, bro.
And is it I say I'm getting a couple of trouble, and especially some teacher will just never like me for some reason. Is it I say the experience at Bustamante High was good. Meet some real cool people. Some people I'm friends with up to today. Same way. As I say, and teachers which part me still cool with up to today. As I say, big up Mr. Turner, greatest maths teacher of all time. As I say, they take up all of the scraps about the so-called big teeth maths teacher at the school. Throughout, and that the man they have we in a evening class, and them man they make up pass CXC. As I say, cause that lady there, like literally, it was crazy. That lady there only deal with people who fast. So if you're slow and you need a little bit of, she can't deal with you.
Oh, so it's like the coach only take talent to that lead.
Yeah, the coach only take talent to that lead. Them not have the patience to deal with
development.
You see me? So, Bustamante at grade school, I wanted to repeat there before I left.
Repeat, man.
No, because at the time, and I like said, me around 11-2 when I leave high school.
But them things different back then, brother.
No, but think about it. Me around 11-2 leaving high school, see? And how much schools me I go as a class 1 athlete?
True.
Me I go get in and run in 11-2.
True.
First year class 1 at that.
True.
Right? Yeah. So when me go so bam now, and can't remember to this day, I remember the summer. I can probably move fast, but now I forgot to all them experience there, Buster one day. When me leave, remember, no, before we get to me leaving, before me even start track and field, I play ball as me say. Remember, Errol Powell, big up yourself, come to me and say, yo brother, stop wasting time and play football. No disrespect, we're not going to wear ball.
What you thinking, see? What I say, yo, let go of ball just because of what?
Him actually watch a football game and watch me run them to sickness. You see me? Not just in fitness, but just
Run
speed.
Sickness, yeah.
You see me? And I say, yo brother, come training and I work together. Him get me down to 11-2. I remember, as I say, time to graduate now. I leave and the summer, I think it was like July, August, closer. I sit down and I don't know what I do. Remember, I sit down outside of the house and I just look. Come here and say, yo, I'm not in school for September. And what I do? You see me, that's all I think about. And Portland Cottage where I live is a fishing village.
Yeah.
I said to myself, I said, bro, I'm a fisherman, you know. I don't do that. You see me? Yeah. As a matter of fact, to my salt, when it comes to that business, remember the first time I got dive in it, so I see a shark in the river. The first time.
In a Portland?
In a Portland Cottage. We go out on the boat and dive off and I shoot one fish and when I take up the spear, the fish tear off and swim me. And when I look around, I see the shark and turn back. And the fish before I shoot the shark and come find it.
Blood.
And then one time I dive off in the water, just regular swimming, and just before I dive off, somebody called me. And I look around, and I look back, one alligator swim past me. So water, I never my thing.
Yeah,
so I couldn't do that.
Yeah.
So you see me? I sit down and I remember this up to the mother said to me, say, yo, what are you worried about? And I said, I don't know. And she said, don't worry yourself, man. Something not gonna work out. You see me? And I believe this. Up to today, I still live by that. No matter how things get bad, I just tell myself, say, don't worry yourself, man. Something not gonna work out. You see me? And I think shortly after my coach called me and said, yo, I try to get to your school and I say, which school? And he said, Lennon. Central.
Oh, Central in Badfree.
Central. Him saying that try Central, Lennon and Garvey. Central, I said, boy, them not know it for me. See me? I guess they had people better than me at the time.
Yeah,
Lennon did have a good team too. Alright, me never did a beat nobody on Lennon team, I think. You see me? Garvey had athletes, but them never necessarily have no great sprinter. And the coach wanted me long time. Kirk Beckford.
Okay.
Kirk did want me from me there, Garvey from Buster Man from me, just that run. You see me? And Paul never want to let me go. Which is fine by me, because I mean, to be honest, at the first I traveled too much in my life. And that's the only reason why I like track and field. Every weekend we go on a different parish. You see me? Got a town past Chevron, go around and come last and go and chat and go outside the food. You see me? Country, Western, really, all them places. We're all over the place. So the traveling definitely a perk. Get to thing they know. When Paul them link Kirk I say, alright, he will get me in. So I start get excited now. I say, yeah, man, I go back to school and then he call me and I say, boy, you know, like it will work out, cause Wallace.
Yeah.
Wallace.
Hey, a good man.
Yo, me hate the money of Fred up to today. Wallace. I say, oh, I waste of time and Rayante and them forget this or somebody and when man I go around 11-2 and Kirk I say, yo, this a you tell me one. And Wallace I tell him man who him fi take and rate it. And the man I say, no. Him one.
Yeah.
You see me?
You see.
Brother, crazy. Kirk, big up yourself. And it so end up that Kirk did closer to the principal, because Wallace is the vice principal.
Yeah.
You see me? But I'm really the sport thing.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
Kirk end up talk to the lady and she said, alright, boom. Get in a school now. First year of Garvey. Wallace. First year of Garvey, brother. And everything I got nice. Remember they start got trap meet now and things are go good. You know Kirk's there.
Yeah. We have to tell people about Kirk's there.
I'm aggressive.
Yeah.
Now I'm going into detail, but I'm aggressive. But him Immigration come from wanting the best out of you.
Yeah.
So when you slack off,
Yeah.
him a go lose him shit.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And you see me, I say, me and him have the fair share of back and forth. Him no believe saying wrong, me no believe saying wrong, but we always hug it out at the end of the day. Family. You see me? Boom, we start run now. Me start basically run the fastest time in a Gavi history.
Yeah.
You see me, I say things are going good. Wallace, Central Champs. Remember Central Champs in the Speedy? I don't know if you know this, you know. Remember Central Champs, you know. Go to the man and them and give out gears to people, you know. And the man, when I go for gears, you know, my man said to me, man say, you don't run to Gavi yet. Because you know that the first year, they have to sit out the year.
Yeah.
So I say, what you mean? Can't give no spikes. Can't give no...
What's the job, man, do, brother?
I am running for the school.
I know, man, but isn't me? You never know better.
What you mean, my man never know better?
Know better, bro.
Bro, I am running for the school. Me get 2 medals at Central Champs that year. Me get second in the 100 and third in the 200. Right? Odiel, Tad, and I think Minzy beat me. You see me? And what the other youth name again? Minzy. I think Minzy and somebody else beat me at the 100 too. See? Nobody, I must say one other person get medal was Richie.
Oh yeah, Bills.
Yeah, I think one other person get medal. Nobody else get no medal. And you look at me, we part of beat everybody down countryside the whole year and tell me, say, I not run for Gavi. You can't give me a track shoes and a spikes and gears. No, as a matter of fact, him give me gears. Businessman work. Wallace a hypocrite. At that time problem. And because him never like me for a good morning and then Kirk go around him and get me to the school, him just never like me.
Yeah.
You see me, I say? And then you know in carrying Reno. Mazino, you got yourself, you're a virgin still. Carrying Reno. Man, give Reno everything.
Yeah, man, he love Reno, man.
And then I like say Reno did I beat me.
Yeah.
Man, give Reno the world.
Yeah, man. I really talk.
You get me, I say?
Reno live a privileged life, man.
Privileged life of Gavi.
Yeah.
And past that now, I say, we got Central Champs. My medal, as him say, me never run for Gavi, so I couldn't go champs.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, big boy did a kick up run post same way.
True.
Rashid McDonald, big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
You see me, I say, and all of them something there, and the year after that, even the year after that, you know, the man never want to give me no gears, you know.
Yeah.
Man never want to give me nothing, fam. I never do this man nothing, you know. The man just never like me, you know.
You do sin, brother.
Bro, the man, you know the problem is?
What?
Him never like Kirk. Because him never want Kirk, did he? The only reason why Kirk was still there was because of the principal, you know?
Yeah. What's your name again, brother?
I wish I could remember her name.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. She does
I fear her name, I should remember. I know me remember Wallace's name.
I true Wallace more prevalent, doesn't mean? You need it longer.
You see me, I say, yes, man. Anyways, go so bomb now and who can I say disrespect? I don't care. And me go through it with him. You see me? As a high school, a man just not like me for some reason, bro. Yeah, and it's like me still, bro, remember me save the man Pitbull life, you know? And even then the man still never like me, you know?
Man, that's the spirit together. Man, spirit together.
Bro, remember me have to tie up the man dog, you know? Because them never did it, you know? And something happened to the dog. Like one steel, I don't know why I do want to steel, pierce him and he get infected. You see me? And me have to catch dog and tie him up, you know? Dog almost all bite me, you know? And spray the worm thing in it and even get the powder and put it in the wound and spray it again, you know? Like create a piece, you know?
No,
Dog rate me friend that still. Dog tap back after me.
Yeah.
Because you know the house them used to next door to the school.
Yeah.
The dog used to walk after me every day, brother. After that, I'm my best friend. That the dog they see me every bro, I see the dog over 4 years after.
Remember you.
And the dog run come to me, think him gonna hurt me. I climb up on a tree, dog come and look for me, so I'm good on and the dog start rope at me. I say, you remember me? Is it?
Dog is a man's best friend.
Yeah, man. So, bro, I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. Year after that, Gavi Masio, we did the same way. Man still now give me the gears. Everything have to come through Kirk. Cause Kirk have to go to him, go body him up, I got the principal.
Yeah.
You see me? And that year they know Central Champs, me finish. I win the Bills.
Yeah, remember that.
Win the Bills and finish second in the 200. Win the Bills, get sick the same night. Come the next day for run 200 with flu. And finish second. Minzy, big up yourself.
It's terrible, man.
It's terrible, brother.
It's terrible, man. You know, remember what? You tell I want to remember music. 2 bills I'm obey. After another day still. Brother, when come to the cinema, brother. But anyway.
Lindsay, I'm sorry.
Brother.
But you won't outlive that moment.
Never. If they ever do a character I like, that after E-night.
Yeah.
After E-night, brother. When I win the race in that sense.
You messed up.
I watch a man come run past me, brother.
What's name again? Cedinho.
Yeah.
From Trinidad.
Yeah.
Cedinho said, oh.
The 400 trend.
The 400 trend.
Go on.
Yeah, after that now, Gavi end up at champs now. You know, all of the big guns, them they are champs. End up at champs now, I finish 4th at champs a year there, in the 100. Last in the 200. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, a lot of people don't make champs finals.
True.
You see me, I say, look a country boy. They train pan grass.
Yeah, bright yellow uniform.
You mean? Sometimes we don't pan Vernon field when the field get too wet. That ever happen to you?
No.
Yeah. Kirk carry down a Vernon field, man. We dip on the stretch, we run all 300. When you see cone 3,000 miles down the road.
The road?
Yeah, where they race pan now.
No, I'm never run by it, man.
Yeah, man, you carry go down there sometime because when they just build a field or it build, once rain fall, it get waterlogged, seriously waterlogged, so we couldn't use it. And sometimes what we have to do is either we just go run on the road or carry go down there go sprint. There I remember, man. Remember there on 600 down there to Jesus. Remember when there I go down the Vernon field. I never was also 300 far in a straight line. We have to say, wait.
Still a run.
You not even turn back yet.
No, brother.
You see me, so it was crazy. Experience, key and feel down there.
Eating, man.
Remember when them used to have report it to the principal because we eat out to a big circle in a key and feel. Bro, crazy, because I never does the track people, them. Footballer, cricketer. Everybody did it. So you see when time Sunday evening, or Sunday night day.
Yeah, gone.
Sunday night day, or after we done training Saturday, cane field.
I think of that, manager like you with bun and cheese. Remember that, brother?
Yeah.
Joke thing that, brother.
Bun, I worst taste in bun. I'll never forget the taste of that bun. I wish me remember the brand bun so I could have called it so I could have drop on the list, because boy, that
bun and cheese, bro.
Bun and cheese. I think it was for lunch, man. No, we get dinner and then supper.
Yeah.
Was the bun and cheese. Yeah.
They realistic, but you make national team. You never make character.
Yeah, we never make character that year there.
You ever make character?
Me have some like that year there. I could have, but it never worked out. Remember, me reached that year there for Marshall. For some reason, them whoever that sign up the paper, them put in my personal best rank. So them must say the qualifying time.
You're outside that.
You're outside that, so I never in it. I remember the so-called, he wasn't the president at the time, but he was in J3 and dealing with it. Not even calling him in the high up here now. High. Go link the man and I explain to him, and man said, look, you don't have time for that. That the man said to me, now walk away from me.
So you don't got a name, bro, in school, bro.
And somebody said me to him, you know. One of the official level, and I say, yo, talk to him, man. Him can help you. Because he can't say it was a mistake. Because he know me. The official know me.
Yeah.
Then I say, man, say, you don't have time for that. And walk left me. I said, Jano. Same time, Anderson. Because Anderson did send me to him.
Yeah.
Anderson was not official. He was the commentator.
Yeah.
And he sent me to him.
Commentator.
Best.
Really,
The best.
Yeah. What do you
see me, I say? Yeah, man, something, no one get into that.
Alright.
Yeah, not from my part, but just the story of how everything happened. Yeah, leave that alone. So he said to me, after that, I go to him, and when he said that, the man said to me go to the official them. And the official said, don't say people don't turn up, we just put you in another lane. You see me, I say, and I say, yeah, man, we just do the adjustment when we find out who not come, and we didn't know, say, Julian did hurt. So I know say Julian never did that. So I said to them, say, you can't put me in a Julian name, because Julian they a good lane.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, you can't put me in a Julian lane, man. You see me, I say, because him not there, I'm hurt, and him I say, they have to wait until Marshall inside, they can't just change it yet.
Yeah.
So I say, alright, I say, go warm up. So all another time when I try to fix that, I did for a warm up.
Oh.
You see me I say? Warm up now. And my coach should try, but me I try too.
Yeah.
You see me I say, cause people might say, oh, why your coach never deal with it and you go warm up. A country school.
Yeah,
we and a KC Calabar and them. No. You see me I say?
Yeah.
So we are deal with it, end up but get a quick warm up. I come back, him say, alright, XYZ in there, so I put in a lane. And remember when I go to BAM in the heat and run off a curve and literally jog.
Why?
Because the people them couldn't beat me. And a jogger, you know, you can have the finals, you know, I run too hard.
Yeah,
so, you know, a cruise come home and the man say, oh, look at Julian Ford in lane 5. And I say, wait, that's not Julian Ford, that's Tyquendo Tracey.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, and the commentator say, what is happening here? Why is Tracey running in Julian's lane? And afterwards, they sort it out. But, yeah, never met the team that year just because of that, because I did end up feel a certain way after, even though I jog, because I never warm up properly. No, I never warm up properly.
Oh,
my leg never feel right. You see me, I say, and in the finals, me kind of just let it go. You see me? Never met that World Junior Trials come out a year there.
2012, right?
2012.
Yeah, bro.
Damn, that's a long time ago.
I mean, it is.
Just less, just 1.3.
Yeah, still.
Anyways, that's a done now. Met the team, make CAC that year there.
Yeah.
And World Junior. So make CAC for the 100 and World Junior for the 200.
Yeah.
So I win silver CAC in the 100.
Who did you win that year, if you remember?
One youth from Bahamas.
Wow. Oh, Burke?
No man, not Burke. My name is still
Bahamas.
Bahamas, man. My name again, man. Shit, I hope you don't see this. Me no go do names. No, man.
Well, alright, you ready?
You see me, my youth from Bahamas. Remember my name. Can't remember it, but yeah. And past that, we win the 4x1 in a record time.
Yeah.
You see me? And left this now, World Junior. Barcelona, Spain. The first time I go up on a long European flight, 9 hours at the time. Nearly mad. Remember, me have one, me wear a Clarks, brand new banker about somebody buy me. And when I come off, I play my foot couldn't go in the Clarks.
Swell up.
My foot swell up and I have to walk with the Clarks that I had. And go there. I never got great. I mean, was an experience nonetheless. Me drop out and I eat.
Yeah.
You see me?
But how was it compared to like champs? What do you compare?
I would say champs was far better.
Really?
Stadium full.
Oh,
Bro, that year, good thing I bring me back. That year when I'm going for the 100-meter finals, Speedy, the stadium ram. Bro, when I look up in the stands and start see the amount of people above me, just I look down pam.
Yeah.
Us, the 8 lane over there.
Yeah. Like a Coliseum.
Brother, I feel like was just mini electricity keep on. I go through my body every minute. My nervous still, my foot. You know when the nerves leave? When the gun bust. Right now, if you watch back that finals, you see me in the blocks. When there's a set, I saw me set. That feeling never leave until the gun bust. Oh, they are running fret in my banana suit. Full yellow. Oh, yeah, I'm a banana suit, bro. I'm going to tell you, say, get past that now after, well, before me even get to World Juniors, me start get college offers. You see me, I say?
You know, I never ever did I consider that though. You know, so I always feel like, say, as a guy, man, just directly you take care of it go.
But that's the thing now. The college offers, that's the thing now, as me I say. Kirk them and front of them MVP through Reds where they got MVP. Them have a relationship with MVP. So most of we always got MVP.
Yeah.
You see me I say? And Powell, because not even really Kirk, me they really listen to because Earl Powell bring me into track and field. So him say, yeah man, no man, that's where you go. So even when the college offers them are coming in from overseas, me I say, no, that's where me I go.
Some people go overseas.
As me said to you, just because of them.
Really? Not even considered?
Not even considered. Remember when KC called me, my last year at Champs.
That was a KC call.
I mean, called me and I don't remember the coach name or whoever speak to me. Then call my coach.
Yeah.
I'm a
then
coach.
Call Kirk?
Yeah. Oh. Then I don't know. No, then call Wallace.
Oh.
All him. Then call Wallace. Bro, I want to tell us. Yeah, joke. Wallace, brother, how hypocrite, you know? I tell us, go somebody man and call Wallace. And Wallace, me not have a phone at the time, I think. And him give Kirk. And luckily when he give them Kirk number for call me, cause he never care.
Yeah.
So him just say, yo, see coach, I call the coach.
Yeah.
You see me? Me there right beside Kirk when they call him. And Kirk say, see me, I talk to him, man. And the man had said to me, say, yo, Ryan. I say, yo, I'm good enough. I stay a country and beat, you know.
Poor him even know about.
See me, no man, me not even really, it's like, me did always set my mind on beating Calabar and KC at least when me a run.
You beat any?
I mean, remember, you know, at Champs that year, you know, Steele, Odin Skeen.
Yeah. Oh yeah, old man's man. Yeah.
Jazeel Murphy.
But them man in a town, man.
No, but you may say, so where Bridgeport there?
Bridgeport in the country? Listen, hey, no.
Relax yourself. Woolmaz, Skeen, Bridgeport, Murphy, and Minzy, countryman. You see me I say? The green and purple school, you know what they did there? You see me, them, feed them mind. I didn't just me that. Me just set my mind say, yo, more and beat them the man there. Because everybody appraise them. And them more whoop. You see me? So when him call me and I say, okay, I say, no, sir. Me stay down and beat you.
Yeah.
You see me? I'm stay at Garvey. And just out of respect for Kirk as well, because Kirk fight to get me in a school because me even very technical, they reach out back to me after I reach out to them to get in a school and tell me, oh, no more space. I try to get me for my final year.
Yeah.
You see me? Because they never have no sprinter.
Yeah.
Because when them, I know they had sprinters, but none of them were running faster than me at the end of the first year at Garvey.
Yeah, yeah.
You see me? I say, so now them interested in me.
Yeah.
Let me say, too late.
Yeah, yeah.
You see me? I say, other schools were part of them reach out to me, so I reach out back to me. And I said, nah, I'm good. You see me? We left from this, you know. And remember, as me, what me that say? Remember with me going, making the national team.
Yeah.
You see me? All of a sudden, Wallace feel like me and my friend.
And you have a big deal still, brother? If you remember.
Me know.
It was a big deal.
So him start go around and I make it seem like him have a hand in Tyquendo Tracey, being Tyquendo Tracey when Kirk Beckford and Errol Powell was to be praised.
True.
You see me I say, them the man they fi be praised because them the man they say, yo, come, and you me want in the school. And you say, nah man, put him over there so.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then when time, you know, things start look nice, you act like say, yo, are you? Like you did it from the start.
Yeah, yeah.
Bro, I will never forget when I land. 2 days after I land back in Jamaica, after thing there. After Barcelona. Because me did get $100 from the school. From Garvey, then give me $100. Yeah. And me land. And they home, go home and you see me. Get a phone call. I say, who this? What do you mean by who this? I say, your number in my phone, who this? Wallace, you come back to Jamaica, you're not even call, man. You're so ungrateful. I said, brother, come off of my phone. I'm just hang up.
That's your vice principal, no, brother? That's your vice principal, brother?
No.
Are you vice principal, brother?
You're a vice principal, I never mind. You see me, I say? And end up in a school and end up at UTech and MVP.
Oh, was UTech? How the process I go?
As in get in,
yeah.
I know me deal with it. As far as I know, them linked me with Kirk. I had the grades because I have 9 CXC. I don't remember them. I have 9 CXC. You see me, I say maths and English, remember that. IT is physics, some other stuff. You see me, I say. So, I get in a construction management. And that me did want to do.
Yeah.
Them did want to get me in some other course. And I said, no, me no think me will go that direction in a life. Yeah. This more want to do. So, eventually me get everything, all of the requirements, me get in a the course of Shpamuando. And I remember when I go visit Park.
Anyway, camera, it might dead. Then say my fault. UTech.
Yeah, UTech. In a UTech, I mean, everything basically new. I moved to Kingston. I there on my own basically. And I mean, everything new, people new.
Yeah.
It was just a different experience. I mean, in the track world, you meet somebody today, tomorrow, and them are bridging.
True.
You see me I say? And we have some people apart, they know me from before become UTech because me that do well, especially UTech used to have UTech Classic.
That's still not going?
No, cut out some years now. And remember, the year before I come UTech, me win 100 meter UTech Classic. I beat most of the UTech man them.
Oh.
You see me? So, one of them know, so enough of the man them, you see me I say, who don't like me, rate me. So, I just say go.
Yeah.
You see me I say, jump in a UTech now, meet all of the stars them, I train with Safa, Shelly them, everybody.
How that feel?
Honestly, it never necessarily feel no way to me. For some reason, I'm not frightened for I don't want to say people feel frightened for people, but for me, it's like, it's almost like me can see the regular person in a star.
Yeah, so you feel like you belong there?
So me just, not necessarily that I feel like I belong, I know say them a top man and woman and respect them, respect everything when they do, but I'm not the type of person who part, I go say, yo, come on, take one picture, I want to take one picture with you. I don't have a picture with Safa unless maybe it's at a party. Yeah, I have a picture with Safa. So like at a party or a function where somebody come and take a picture with, right? I don't have a picture with Shelly. I don't think I have a picture with anybody really, unless it's like a function and you know. So I'm not that type of person. I see them, respect them, love them, appreciate them, but yeah, me not that person. You see me I say, you take great experience, a very annoying school at the same time. I mean, rough. Boy, I remember days when I feel like me a zombie, me I got training, left go class, come back a training, left go class, come back a training, one day. Training in the morning, start 4:30, like 5 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock, here I go. Class start 9 o'clock, me I left go class. You see me? After class, me have to fit, me have to set up my schedule at 1 o'clock at gym. And then plyometrics in the evening. So me I go, after gym, me I go back to class, plyometrics in the evening, and me have to come back for that. But the thing is, what messed me up, my first semester, first year, me never know what difficulty would be. You see me I say, and the people in my part, Paul, people in me set up my timetable. I guess them they just think me too smart. Well, I mean I was smart enough to manage, but you take the party them every week and me I do that. And in the school, you see me I do all of them something I got training so they become heavy. You see me I say and feel a couple of modules in my first year. And then afterwards me say in order to manage the track schedule and the training schedule, me have to set up my timetable a little bit different. You see me can't do the whole heap of modules them like I do the year before. So I set up a thing different. But me have more free time in a sense for rest. Because bro, sometimes I go to bed after 12, 11 o'clock and I've got get up at 4 o'clock to go training.
Can't work, bro.
Crazy. You see me I say the MVP, you know, things start going. Eventually start improve. I met my first national team MVP, which was the under 23, Nakak under 23, in a Kamloops. Got there, so get 2 medals. After that was the next team I make was which year? That was 2013, 2014, I think. Yeah, 2013, 2014. Met the Nakaks under 23. Then after that, we met the World Championship the year after to Beijing. Broke my foot just broke my ankle. Just before the 4x1 heats.
You really understand what he going with the ankle. You know, so long after me hear about it.
So what happened now? I had a fractured ankle, right? Which mean I tell my coach say something wrong with my foot, and he must say I'm weak, and me keep on and tell him say yo no man, you know bro, me dey on painkiller every day, just to be able to train. You see me I say cause I believed I just weak my foot weak. So I had do ankle work and all them something to better my foot. Cause it's weak. Me they actually have a fracture. You see me? Me have a stress fracture in the foot. Me a train on it. And the day World Championship 2015, minutes before we go out there for run, we do one last run. And the ankle just snap. Like the bone on the side over here, so whatever that side the name, just break off where the stress fracture was.
Yeah.
You see me? Fall back in place and everything, but me just couldn't walk on it. Like, you just feel a sharp pain. Me sit down. No, me walk as a matter of fact, go sit down. You see me? Me da feel the pain when I say, yo, me don't know what that, and me sit down. So me sit down, bro. And Nesta come and say, Tracey, you sure you can't run? And I say, me can't run, my foot hurt me. And he must say, yo, try to walk. And me get up. So me get up, bro.
Yeah.
The amount of pain me start feel.
Yeah,
and within about 3 minutes, the foot fat. You see me? I say foot swell up. You know, fast forward after that, end up having to do surgery on the ankle. Because even though it start heal, because me start walk too early upon it, the bone kind of shift. So they end up having to do a surgery upon it to put it back in place.
So what pay for that?
This was the national team. Because me get hurt by national duty.
I never know that was that thing, you know?
Yeah. So, and them pay for it.
So it's like a job.
Basically.
You never know.
Yeah, in them have insurance, but you know, see, they must.
More, you know.
I mean, and then, you know, with all of that, well, I'm not sure about the insurance something, but...
No, man, they have insurance card, man.
Yeah. Fast forward after that, now, 2016 World Championship. No, that year, the 2015.
2016 Olympics, man.
2016 World Olympics, yeah. 2015, when we just start running in 10 ones.
Yeah.
Would I expect to make the team the next year, but I basically start training March of that year.
You had none, brother.
Nothing.
None, brother.
17 now, met the World Championship. London.
Bolt debut. I mean,
bolt last.
Yeah.
And it was nice. Get to run the 4x1 heats. And take me off and do some foolishness and I want to know I'm to the 4x1 there. After that now, 18, first national title.
How old the season they feel?
Yeah, joke about that season now. I remember about up to March, April. The fastest time run was 10:41. That year, me run every 10:4 I can think of. I remember I said to Paul Francis, say Paul, after that track meet this weekend, I call it a season and we come back next year. I struggle and this has stressed me out and him I say, boy, can't force if you continue, but mother say if you just hold on.
Yeah.
You see me? And past that now and the weekend come run 10:15.
Big drop, but still.
Big drop. You see me? Weekend run 10:15 and go to Paul see me shortly. Paul see me Monday at training. And say, I thought it was done. It was done with the season. This I say, well, you know, I give it a little try. See me? Things start get better that year there. And when me reach down to trials now, reach down to trials and it's like based on the feel up and I say the only real 2018, the only real threat in my opinion was Julian.
So when you go into like a championship, you kinda look and see who.
Always. And all even them 10 times better than me just say me know me have to cut you down. You see me? And nerves for me is a must for a championship. And I think anytime I'm not nervous, I don't perform as well as when I perform when I'm nervous.
I agree.
You see me? I say so sometimes even cause nervousness by myself.
Oh.
Like just certain things I think about. You see me? I'm thinking about something too much.
Like pertaining to track or
pertaining to track.
Okay.
You see me? And you know, it bring a certain level of nervousness. My adrenaline start go sky high and it helped.
Yeah.
Some people, it not go help.
Yeah.
Right? And going to the trials and me run the heats, win. I think me equal my PB in the heats. Easy. Say, semi-finals, win. PB in the semi-finals.
Yeah.
Come back for the finals. Yeah. I think Julian did hurt. End up get hurt. Something of the sort. And win the 100 meter.
Yeah.
Yeah, the man.
Yeah.
From this onward, me win everything.
So
before, about 2 months before that, brother, me I get lick right, left, and center. It never make no sense. All my season end up finish without it start.
You see me I say? How that win the feel?
It never, to be honest, you know which win did really crazy was 21.
Why? You feel like in 2018 would have mean more because you just broke your ankle?
No.
No?
I mean, it was nice.
Yeah.
That year they may not win World Cup too. I don't think I see them have that event in the back since. Win World Cup, win Nakak, Continental Cup. You see me? Cup of meat on the circuit. Year that was nice. You see me 19 now, I finished second.
Yeah.
You see me Blake win that year there.
Yeah. What about the 21 year where you say, yo, you love that one day?
21 was at 2019, me do overseas at the Crosses coach. Sick in my head. Raina Rider. Bro, it's surprising to me. Yeah. This man shouldn't even be alone near a track. But it is what it is. They did 2019, 2020, you know, COVID.
Yeah.
2021 now come around, and at a point in the season, I start notice some weird things in the camp. You know, some.
You talk about Rana?
Yeah. It's like when I see certain things, I not call the name, I not necessarily say what, because I don't necessarily want to get back into certain things. And I say, yo, no, this is not right, and I no need for there, so.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, I call Okil, and I say, yo, I come back to Jamaica, and you may come to, and him say, yo, what happened? And I tell him, and I say, nah, man, maybe I just, cause bro, the coach start having problems with me out of the blue. I remember how I start going to other teammates, and I say, yo, what me do? Like, me can't see it, you know, me don't know what happened.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, it reached as far the man blame me for him getting a parking ticket, you know.
Post me, I get that one, brother.
Bro, it was everybody I look and I say, yo, what tie? Cause they call me tie.
Yeah.
What did tie do to coach? I was clueless.
Yeah.
And I know what happened.
Yeah.
But as I said, I don't necessarily want to get into the details.
Yeah.
Right? Yo, I notice certain things and I say, yo, I'm one left. And then with how me that perform compared to other people, which me notice that I wanted to change in the programs that I notice. So apart I give certain people certain program and then certain people certain program.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, which never make no sense to me.
But alright, you know what? Not going to
then,
but
then not only that, it separate us. You have a certain set of people that train at a certain time and then a certain set of people that train at a certain time.
It's not people a scheduling thing?
Yeah.
It's not a scheduling like them to have things to do?
No.
Like no? Alright.
All of them people that perform well, all of them people that not do nothing in a season.
Yeah, but watch another, you can't mix with everybody now.
No, but what I say, this is before. No, but what you not get what I say now. When before all of the performance, people say who are perform from what non-perform.
Yeah.
I remember there was a point in the program apart me and Synergy. We had a time trial a day, 180, 120. Me run the fastest time in the both of them.
Yeah.
You know the names of the day at the camp.
Yeah.
You see me I say? After that, the man put me and Synergy back in flats.
Now move too fast.
Have me around tempo 200, say I teach me control. I say, you know, I'm the coach, you know what I mean, and we are trained good, and it give get to a point which part, because me and Synergy we start get real close. Like every day we are trained together, him a push me, I push him.
Yeah.
Till him start come say to me, stop talk to Synergy, because Synergy is not a good influence. Crazy thing, bro. And then not only that, he might tell Synergy the same thing about me.
Like you might try putting against each other.
Right? Bro, we literally get up every day and call me and say, yo, training. We push each other like this, iron sharp iron. And we there do great.
Yeah.
You see me I say? And we left. Well, before everything come down and me end up leave. You know what I mean? Me Synergy come to me and I say, yo, coach come to me and I say, yo, bro, say yeah, talk, say me a fussy. And I mean I say, what? So, but me say, him come to me and tell me the same thing about you.
Some cartoon thing that.
You see me I say, and that's the crazy part. Is like, me and him sit down there and I say, brother, what that man here do? Like, that is what we sit down and talk. Like, what him a try do?
Yeah.
You see me I say?
So, what you thinking I try do?
Personally, him say me and him together is a good duo in terms of how we train.
Yeah.
And we train ethics.
Yeah.
You get to the point where him put him more train on a different hour and then put me on a different time, you know.
Some politics in it, brother.
You see me I say? And then, me a perform bad.
Start perform bad. Yeah.
When as me tell you, the group of people part him put together. Sometimes he will put one of them over there, you know, make it seem no way.
Yeah.
And then take them back over.
Oh. Yeah.
You see me I say? That group of people, them a perform. Una perform good, reasonably well.
Yeah.
Bro, my season 10-4 that year, you know. And then, no, I run 1 200, I think I run like 20. First time running here and nothing. That brother,
quick one.
He run 20.3 today, I think.
Quick man.
You see me?
Quick.
And you know, on 200 over Florida University, Gators.
Tom Jones probably.
Yeah. And I run like 21.3. And a man with part shouldn't even get close to me. I see you run 20.4 opening. And it's not like I never try. I mean, I said to myself, I say, what?
But I feel like say maybe like in your mind, brother, you overthink.
That is possible. But we'll get down to it now. Boom, down in I see me did it until everything start. Me call my agent and say, yo, me I go home. You see me, I say, me link Oki and say, yo, me don't want to hear no excuse, me I come home. He say, alright, do what you do, me there. You see me, I say, you know you have a home at Jamaica. There at Jamaica, me train him, Oki, adjust my program. And there's a key part of this, but me won't say it.
Yeah.
Okay, adjust my program and we start do some speed because the man never have me do no speed.
Yeah.
Man now me come out on the blocks. Man, everybody else I do them something there.
Yeah.
Where I run fast. And that the man them I do speed and speed endurance. The man they do them work.
It's a money thing, brother, like you ain't pay man or something, brother.
Everybody are pay, but I believe some people are pay more.
Yeah, but that natural still, you know what I mean?
According to him,
Alright,
everybody pay the same fee.
That's not true.
But me and you know say, you say under the table, we don't know what going on under the table.
Not even that. You get paid based on the percentage you get.
No. Him have one set fee, coaching fee.
At first, me hear that one, they still no, brother.
And one. Couple coaches do it. So him have one set coaching fee.
So no matter what?
That is it.
At first, me hear that one, brother.
See me, you have other things where me contribute to,
Yeah.
but one set coaching fee.
Okay.
You see me I say? And me know say something did something. And me tell them the year, you know. Say one man in my coach for run well, you know. We want to go do research and can do it.
Yeah.
And them I say, oh, that's foolishness. I can't be here paying my money and I say, bro, one man in a coach for do well. I'm gonna say about now and get to the point which part him here back. And him here back just before me let me ready for it. Because I left the weekend and for some reason the brother will inform. I know who still, I'm not calling him. I know say you.
Yeah.
Brother will go inform to him and tell him say yo me I plan for left. He call me in the week. Zin, he call me in the week and said to me say, here say, me I tell XYZ the person say he ma coach one person for medal. And I say, is it a lie? He say, where me get that from? And
evident.
And so me say, is it a lie? Him say, if I stop spread rumors and rate it, and him hear someone leave the camp, and if I want to leave, me can just leave. And I say, well, I'm actually leaving this weekend. You see me? And him say, alright, you know, all the best. I'm on the phone. Man, him never speak from that.
To this day.
That's right. You see me? I say?
Yeah.
And left, come back to Jamaica. Okay, I just program bro, I'm struggling. I never did a run no time.
Yeah.
My first 200 meter after training, if you look with, I think like 4 weeks. I come back April 1st, remember. And then in a May, my first 200 meter, I run 20.4.
What you PR? 20.4?
20.3 at the time.
Okay.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
Almost PB. And then all of the other times them just start come together.
Yeah.
For trials, cause him tell everybody, oh, me not go make the national team at trials.
Yeah.
And that is one of the reasons why the reaction at the trials with me beating my chest. Cause me tell everybody after this I have nothing to do now.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Cause me not the type of person there.
Yeah.
You feel like me a showboat.
Yeah.
You see me? And come at trials, rounds go good. Remember the heats, me win. The semi-finals me end up with Blake and Civil. And I get out and when I get out, you know, in the semi-finals and reach like 60 meter, Blake and Civil was in front of me and I did manage to pass Civil. But when I pass Civil at like 80, 85 thereabout,
Yeah.
I ease up and look how I see Blake. And I sit down and I say, me I go beat him in the finals.
Yeah.
I go around and I sit down and I tell myself, you see, even that celebration was planned weeks before, you know. I saw, when I tell people, say I saw that moment, people think I joke me.
Yeah.
The celebration itself,
Yeah.
everything was planned. Me did plan to do that. Come
Yeah.
say me I win. And when I saw how the semi-finals play out,
Yeah.
I said to myself, all I need to do is get the start.
You get a blind that's still in the brother.
Speed it that day there. When I tell you, I
blind,
feel like
brother.
somebody kick me out of the blocks and I just go with it.
Yeah, man.
I just go with it. And when I reach like 95 meters, I'm a glance. So, I see say Blake there behind me. I look back in front of me and that was for just that main reason.
Yeah.
You see me, I said, I get a call. Can't say it.
Yeah, man, you're good, man.
Plug that on.
Pause that. Man, do you think, man?
Just press the pause button.
Yeah.
So with all of that now, as me say, all of that, me don't have that in my mind, say that me I do. For the celebration after the race. I mean, get to the Olympics that same year. Pull 3 days before the Olympics 100 meter.
Wow.
Me have a tendonitis behind my knee.
Bro, tendonitis, man, me have tendonitis, dog.
Yeah, but he never pull. Mine did pull.
Me get you know, what do you think it causes it, like overtrain? Because tendonitis is overuse, you know.
Tendonitis are overuse. Let me tell you what happened. I overseas before I come back to Jamaica. As me tell you, say, man never give me no speed work.
Yeah.
So when I come to Jamaica, I have to hit the speed as much as I can. So I end up develop tendonitis.
Yeah.
You see what I say? So that from this going all the way up to Olympics, I don't know my salsa. Because I see me with 2015, I have the broke ankle run whole year and just before the biggest moment, it broke. Same thing with my hamstring.
Yeah.
Just before the biggest moment, hamstring pull.
Yeah.
You see what I say?
So hold on there. You consider yourself an Olympian or what?
No.
Why not?
I never run.
Yeah, but you make a team, you actually win the trials, you know what I mean?
I go there, I sign the paper, say me there at the Olympics. I even have a paper where say me an Olympian. But
you get it too?
yeah.
Oh, nice.
You see what I say? But me no consider it really. I mean, at the end of the day, one can say I'm an Olympian.
Yeah.
Which, if you go up on Google, that it say.
Yeah.
So,
But you don't feel it?
Me not feel it.
Yeah. So
I never get fit.
So LA?
Well, LA I win.
28. 3 final, what's it go?
Yeah man, LA.
LA?
Me and my sons.
You gotta buy them or adopt them.
Relax. I have a couple, what them call them? Godchildren.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
But, I mean, after that, me there at Jamaica, train from them time until now.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a whole lot of parts of my life which I probably would have to write a book for people really see certain side of me because a whole heap of things happen.
What you call the book?
The journey.
The journey?
Yeah.
None will incorporate the name.
No, incorporate
just the journey.
Just the journey.
Alright. So on the journey, more I know is during your career where you have up until 2021, you signed with Puma.
Yeah.
You didn't get any reductions?
In 2018.
In 2018. Oh, nice.
In 2018.
After his season.
January 2019. Yeah.
Yeah. It's basically the same thing. You get no reductions over the year or anything?
The last year.
The last year?
Yeah.
Mm.
When I pull the Olympics.
Oh.
Because there was a class where I have run at the Olympics. I run at the championship that year.
You know, me always hear.
And give a joke, I would have avoided that cut if we did go, they go walk the race.
You know. You never think about that.
But I didn't even know that was in the contract.
Mm.
Yeah, I never really. I didn't read it.
Yeah.
Read the important parts.
What? Oh, the funds.
The funds. They were a part of important too, you know.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
you know what I mean? Just for arguments here. You know what I mean? But it was just one of them things.
Yeah. So you're back at yard now, Mr. O'Keel Smith. Stuart. Jeez and peace. Sorry.
Smith from?
Sorry. O'Keel Stuart. Yeah, man. How was the relationship developed over the years?
Like every relationship, you have good days, you have bad days.
Yeah.
But there is respect.
On both sides?
On both sides.
Okay.
That's what I say. And once, I tell people this all the while, I'm a stand on this subject today. Anybody tell us I disrespect them, ask them what them do.
You feel like you're disrespectful?
I can be.
Yeah. But you feel like say anything, most of the things out there are cause and not because say you're just disrespectful. Like some have to happen for you.
Something have to happen.
Okay.
I respect everybody. Even the madman on the road. You're not gonna just see me a deal with anybody anyway just because me can.
Yeah.
Me not built that way there. You see me I say so you see if you hear me and somebody in a vibe because them do something upon me not like. You see me, and not just because they do something upon me not like. If you do something upon me not like, even if me not say it to you and you know about it, you're supposed to know you're not supposed to do it again.
Okay. So you believe in a fearty?
Yeah. I mean me see a lot of things over the years. A lot of things happen to me. And as me tell you, say, me, especially people older than me, have respect for them.
Yeah.
Could have 1 year, me I gotta have respect for you.
Yeah.
You see me I say, but you see the minute you feel like say, me have to respect you, but you not have to respect me.
Yeah.
At the minute me I gotta send you far up, man. We up. I mean not care, cause I just believe we're two humans. Why me feel have respect for you and you can't have respect for me?
I agree.
You see me I say, so if you feel like say, because you are a elder, you're gonna deal me certain way and me I gotta just take it. Not even from my mother.
So in sweep. What sweep mean again? Cause me so speed. I say go speed with.
Yeah, mash me up now.
Alright, sorry, you don't have to go through it. You see me? But within the club sweep, do you feel like an elder?
No, but I keep on getting reminded by O'Keel. You know, I don't like. I grew up being my own role model in a sense. I don't necessarily follow people. As me I say, if you can't get me to do something unless me want to do it.
Yeah.
As me I say.
That's the word.
And understood. And when a man will look at me and say, yo, more you be a role model for them young youth, and come earlier, or you want me to talk to them and encourage them, I can't bother with them something.
No,
sometimes I just want to do over one place to myself, chat and laugh and call it a day. To be honest, you know, I am a person who talk to them a lot.
Yeah. You're also a national champion.
Yeah, no, don't get it wrong. As much as I don't want to do it, I do it quite a bit.
Yeah.
You see me I say, all of the youth them look up to me, all of them respect me. You see me I say, all of them deal with me just like how I deal with them.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Deal with them, and that's one of the things where I say to people, say, if we don't come around my friend them and listen or we deal with each other, we don't probably think we don't like each other.
Yeah.
But it's just a level of understanding we have.
Yeah.
And them know what is called disrespect.
Yeah, true.
And then and we also know what we call banter.
Yeah.
Or we just a trouble. Is it trouble one another? Is it me I say so? It's just it's a good vibe in the club.
Yeah.
Very good vibe.
Would you ever want to become a coach?
No.
No. So even with the years of experience, the injuries that you've experienced,
Even with the people that me I help while me I train, cause me know me have people apart reach out to me based on certain things. I mean them talk and me help them with certain things. Athletes overseas, and you know even right now me probably have no problem. Me have a little athlete in India. Him getting a college in the US.
Nice, congrats.
And I talk to and help and you know what I mean.
Yeah.
But people want to know them something about.
They know now.
You see, when me look upon some of the things about athletes go through with, coaches go through with athlete.
Yeah.
But some of the time I sit down and I say, for me, tell him go, man.
Yeah. Yeah. But not lie now. When me just go.
Yeah, why you name British? Every day I tell okay, you send him my yard.
That jumper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
And I just them something me I say, cause it's almost like respect the man. And
but you can also same thing because the man tell you say yo, come and train early.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean in can interpret it so too.
True.
Yeah.
But film situation different.
Why?
Cause he now perform.
No, bro. No. Bro.
Take out the performance.
Right,
take out the performance. He not train.
Okay, alright. So as a part time.
Even if me reach late,
yeah,
me I do my full program.
Yeah.
Him I reach late and left early.
Man does a show your face.
I reach late and left early. You see me I say so. I just one of them things there. Everybody different. But regardless of that, the club vibes nice.
Yeah.
You see me I say.
Yeah.
Athlete them cool.
Yeah.
But and then one of the things when me set up is like, especially with females, me not think more coach females.
You know, so me feel like would be a good female coach though, because it take over patience.
I don't have that.
You can have it,
but I choose not to.
You should have it.
No.
It's a virtue, that's what they say.
That's why I don't want it.
No man, not wrong with virtue, bro.
Cause bro, I've been every club that I've been in. And there's a big feud and big problem in the club. Listen, always the woman there.
Brother, that taught me in college, brother. I just saw life design. We don't know why, but that's
and I don't want to deal with that.
Yeah, but watching
always the woman them and over some foolishness.
Yeah, bro, but I just saw the intent. So with that we understand.
Bro, I've been not in the situation, but I've the experience to see two girls malice them one day, you know. And then me ask them, you know, they don't remember, you know?
There's a carry it on.
And years in the deal, you know, and they don't remember.
That's what I intend.
Me say, me want you there. Kick off one time. Two hand everything.
2 twos.
And me and him chat
yeah. 2 twos, man.
Cause military guy, me say, your brother, you say, I'm foolish to keep up. I must say, boy, he just a chubby and he just get out and we did it. And it done there so.
I see some men dog argue all the time, man, but
the woman them? Allah son toss. Jesus.
You don't grow up with sister?
Yeah.
You grow up with sister? You don't have patience for them, dog?
Bro, you know I know my sister them. Them wear out my patience. You ever put in a screw in a hole and the thread wear out?
Yeah.
My patience I thread them. And my name round up.
Brother, what? Bro, my sister didn't give me patience, brother. Come here, I said, there's no other way me can deal with this.
Bro, I know one of your sister. 2 of your sister.
Yeah. But you know.
But me know one.
Yeah, coolly.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
And she doesn't look like she full of attitude.
Yes.
That's just it.
That's a whole heap.
Bro, me no know.
That's a whole heap, bro.
Me now get in on my sister them. Well, not them.
Yeah.
One, me and one. Me now get into that. Crosses. But yeah.
Now my patience with
Now have it.
One last question I kind of want to ask you still, but before me even wrap this up. Marketing and branding, Sevens Media. Kind of explain that to me, what that is, because me see you, Brianna, I think Canty Parchment, Daniel do with Sevens Media, right? What is Sevens Media? Pino did Sevens Media?
Very jumper. Yeah.
That's it.
Well, as you're right, they say marketing and branding.
Yeah, but
That's basically what it is. They go out and they help market your page, market you. You know what I mean? Seek sponsorship. Then we have like a profile set up of you, achievements, you know, what you look like and all of that. And people want faces or body or voice for different reasons.
Yeah.
You see me? I say so. Things like those, you know, them do the groundwork for.
yeah.
Is getting different, getting you out there.
Yeah. Is there a company you that want to work with? Because we know you're hydrated. So is there anything outside hydration you that want to work with?
I mean, that's
That's okay.
there are so many things me have problems with. But I would want to work with it for work with the company for say I help fix it.
Yeah. So alright, what about lifespan? What attracted you to them?
The water.
The water.
The water actually damn good, and people don't understand. And if they do the proper research, that them know a lot of them water where them a drink are some purified water where part them just run through some filter.
So what about lifespan different? Because you know water run Jamaica.
What
You know
about white lifespan? It's actually proper mineral water that has natural minerals inside of it. Nothing, no additives or them take from some places.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, I don't remember the spring that it comes from in Portland, but I mean they really do put love into water.
Yeah.
If you meet the CEO, Nayan, she is a phenomenal person. And if you listen to her story from scratch and how she started up and get into the water business, you would see that she actually care about people's health.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see me, I say she care about like just getting a good product out there. You see me, I say anybody can brand water and sell it to anybody.
Yeah.
You see me? But not anybody can really put together proper hydration, proper nutrition and give it to the world. And you know what I mean? So, and if you, as me say, if you do the proper research on them, you'll see the amount of awards them win internationally.
No, we see it, man. We see it,
and if you look at the so-called other companies in Jamaica, they haven't.
Yeah.
There is not really much certifications with
Outside of Jamaica. Yeah. So you know when you
So you know when lifespan international.
Yeah.
So
I mean, and plus it's nice to have a big billboard. I wish you were there, but me see it.
They're on one road, Waterloo Road.
Yeah, man.
In front one hotel, Terranova. Yeah.
Yeah. And lastly, any advice to the youngsters coming up?
Something where you hear all the while on the internet. If you want to try something, just try it. You know what I mean? Everything, you don't necessarily know where it will click. And you will have people who know them can do something or try and never do it. I will tell you, say, no, don't do it because it's hard. And them not make I think even twins probably have differences in terms of how they are genetically make up. Yeah. Right? So even then, you just know two persons are the same. So try, and if you fail, try again. You see what I say? Just always believe in yourself. Yeah. Don't follow people. Do what you want to do. One life you get. And to athletes out there, we are idle. Always remember. And a fat man said this to me once, or to a group of us. You see how much I own in front of me? Me have all I own. How much are you have? One. So if you feel, it's just you got, Yeah. And him have 50 other people who potentially are going to make it, Yeah. So as an athlete, you can't do what the coach do. Yeah. Or you should just listen to the coach and do what you need to do. Because when you feel, that does you feel. And worse, if you have people that depend on you, you feel them as well. Yeah. So, just remember, just one you.
So Tracey, Mr. Mr. Unorthodox national champion.
Yeah.
And now a bobsled. Brother, I'm not lie. I start looking to bobsled cause you know what funny? Them too many overseas, them always ask yo watch cool runnings? You know, so me never ever see cool runnings, bro. You watch cool runnings?
Which country you come from?
That them always say, but me just brother, me not find interest in none at all.
It's funny.
Me never, brother, it does.
Bro, I watch cool runnings so many times.
Me never ever look into it, brother. But as me I say still, you're my introduction to cool runnings. You see me? Me not watch you still no. Me watch you. You see me?
Yo, we're going to make next year and make a new movie.
Alright.
Right?
Yeah.
And me I start.
Yeah.
Anyways. Make a new movie and you have to watch it one day.
Me I watch it, man.
Alright.
Me I watch it, but me I watch it real life so me can see it, you see me? Me I witness it.
Live and direct.
Yeah, man. Alright, bro. Respect. Deal with it, you see me?
Always.
Bro.